Okay guys, we're here on a customer's Hydrosport center console, the Yamaha. He changed the batteries himself, and after that he had no engine power, wouldn't start, nothing, no gauges. So I double checked the battery switch already. That's good because we know the stuff on the dash works. But I've seen where customers do their own batteries and they accidentally put the wires backwards. And I decided to check this little fuse over here, and it happened to be blown. So that solves that. Let's go ahead and fire her up, double check her. Keep things a little tidy if we can. Smokey the Bandit, good to go. Yep, reversing the cables and trying to start your engine will cause that fuse to blow. It's common, I've seen it happen before. So he tried to save himself some money by changing his own bats, but then he had to pay me to come out and diagnose a fuse. Till next time, guys.